to the Not Only Carrots cooking show, Kids Edition. I'm Tamar and today I'm going to be making for you vegan grilled tomato and cheese on toast. Let's get started. First we'll get 4 pieces of yummy homemade bread and put them in the toaster. Doink! Next I will grate the cheese. The brand is dairy-free down under and it is a cheddar style block. It's not very nice not cooked, but melted it's quite nice, except it's very salty. So today we won't be putting salt on it. If you do buy a cheese though, you should put salt on it. Ooh, it shreds like crazy. What? Oh, I think it's enough. Okay, we'll wait for the toast and I'll be back in a second. Our toast has just popped, so let's get that buttering. Eden! Ow, my fingers! Ow! Okay, we use Nuttalex. It's a vegan margarine. Ooh, it's hot. Ow! Make sure you also have on hand some sliced tomatoes. We'll be putting them on the toast with the cheese. First, we'll put on some tomato. 2 pieces each. Okay, next we'll put on some cheese. A yummy amount. Next, we'll put it in the grill. Mum just told me a grill in America is a broiler, so let's do that. Put them on here. And then push it in. Leave it to cook. Put the grill on high and leave the door open so you don't cause a fire. Wait for the cheese to melt to get a nice golden brown on the top. Okay, they're ready now and let's get them out. Now arrange them neatly on your plate. Also, if you don't have a grill, you can just put these in the microwave for 30 seconds and there you have it. It's really easy to make vegan tomato and cheese on toast. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe and share this video with a friend and I'll see you next time. Bye! Hello, my name is Tamar and I have a very funny mouth.